What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is MJ. So today we're going to be talking about how to install Windows 11 in a virtual machine. Now, I'm going to be doing it in VMware Workstation. You can try this in VirtualBox if you want, or some other, but I haven't tried this in VirtualBox, so it might or might not work. I know that it works in VMware Workstation, so that's why we're going to use this. Also, if you do a lot of VM work on your machine, I think it's well worth it to buy VMware Workstation. That's just my opinion, but you guys can do what you want. So let's jump into the installation. So in VMware Workstation, we're going to create a new virtual machine. We're going to choose typical. We'll choose the ISO that you've already downloaded, right? You've already downloaded Windows 11 ISO? Yeah, you have. Link in the description if you don't know where to get that. Also, all these instructions are in the doobly-doo as well. We'll choose Windows 11, Windows 10, or sorry, Microsoft Windows and Windows 10 or later, x64. We'll call this Win 11 Demo. Note where this is installed because we need to modify a file there. So make a note of where you're actually putting this file. This needs to be at least 64 gigs, otherwise the install will not work. I store them as a single file. You do you. It's up to you. We're also going to customize the hardware here. It needs at least 4 and 4, 4 gigs of RAM and 4 processors. But I'm going to do 8 and 8 so it goes a little bit quicker. Note that if you have a single processor in your system, like I do and like many people do, choose one processor. Then you choose the number of cores on that processor. It'll still let you do it, but it basically won't work, or it'll be very, very slow. It won't work properly, essentially. So I'll choose one processor and 8 cores of that processor. We'll say close and then finish. Now we need to come and edit this. So right click on it, go to settings, under options and advanced, you need to enable secure boot. This is critical for Windows 11 to work as well. Now the last piece of this is that we need to go find that file. So that file is under my C drive, users, MJ, videos, nope. That's not what I meant. Documents, virtual machines, Windows 11 demo, and it's this VMX file right here. So you're gonna right click on that, you're gonna open that with Notepad. Scroll all the way to the bottom, and I've put this command in the description box, so go get this. You're gonna paste this command right in here. So it's managedVM.autoAddVTPM software, all right? And you'll save this file. Important, close VMware. It's not gonna work if you don't close it. How do I know? Because I spent about 20 minutes banging my head on my desk last night trying to figure this out. So make sure you close it and reopen it, then it'll work. Now that you've done all that, this will boot. So now we'll go to power, startup guest, and we will watch this run through. Make sure you press any key to boot, otherwise it'll try to network boot. That will likely fail as well unless you have some sort of Pixie boot or something running on your network, but I doubt that you do. That's for like enterprise grade stuff. In here, choose your proper settings. We'll say install now. And then we will ignore this license key. You don't have to have a license key. You can use this seemingly forever without a license key. So I'm gonna say I don't have a product key right now. And I wanna run Windows 11 Pro. Say next. If you did not do it properly, you will get an error here saying Windows 11 cannot be installed on your system. So go back and check those steps. But if you get the license, it means you did it right. Go ahead and accept the license. We'll choose a custom install and we'll just install it on this 64 gig volume that we allocated. Say next, and this should go pretty quickly. I'm gonna fast forward through this and I will catch up with you once this is completed. All right, and just like that, it is done. So you can see that it's completed the install. Now you can walk through the setup of Windows 11 in your VM. Make sure you check out the next video, because running Windows 11 in VMs, or really any Windows in VMs, you get a lot of bloat, and you don't need it, and it's using additional resources it doesn't need to use. So the next video, I'm going to show you how to debloat Windows 11, or really any Windows. There's a couple different scripts, but specifically Windows 11, because I think other people have talked about Windows 10 already. So that's all for now. Appreciate you guys watching. Please come find me on social media. I am on GitHub at MJTechGuy, LinkedIn at MJTechGuy, and sometimes on Twitter at MJTechGuy. Other than that, I will catch you guys in the next one. See ya!